Hello class 7, this is your science class and the chapter which we are going to start is physical and chemical changes and processes. Page 68, topic the types of changes. So we'll see that there are two types of changes, physical change and chemical change. We will discuss both side by side. Physical change is a change in only physical properties, shape, size, color changes, but the chemical composition remains the same. It is a temporary change, and examples are freezing of ice and melting of ice. Chemical change, it is a change in which a new substance is formed. It has a property that it is not able to reverse, so we come to know that it is a permanent change. Next example is rusting of iron and milk into yogurt. Freezing of ice. When the solid ice melts, it is converted into liquid water, but in both the forms, physical states of water, the chemical composition is the same, H2O. Secondly, we will discuss the example of chemical change, milk into yogurt. There are bacteria in the milk which carry out the process of fermentation, and they convert the lactose sugar in the milk into lactic acid, which will form yogurt. And milk can be converted into yogurt, but yogurt again cannot convert it into milk, so it is a permanent change. So next topic is indicators of chemical change. There are three different indicators. Formation of gas bubbles, like we have example of when we put a bleach on a piece of marble, what will happen? Bubbles are produced, that it will confirm a chemical change has occurred. Then change of color. Next indicator is releasing and absorbing of energy. Example, the best example of a chemical change is rusting of iron, in which iron when react with oxygen in the presence of water forms iron oxide, which is the rust. So the chemical name of rust is iron oxide. Answers. The first question is, how can you differentiate between a physical and a chemical change? Physical change is a change in which only physical properties, shape, size, color of a substance change and its chemical composition remain the same properties. Physical changes are temporary and can easily be reversed. Example, melting of ice or freezing of water does not change the composition of water. Chemical change, a chemical change is one in which a new substance is formed. Properties, chemical changes are permanent and not able to reverse. Example, burning of paper, rusting of iron, turning of milk into yogurt. The next question is, what are the indicators of chemical changes? If one of the following clues take place, then it shows that the chemical change has occurred. Formation of gas bubble, change of color, releasing and absorbing of energy. How does rusting of iron take place? When iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of water, rusting of iron take place. So the iron plus oxygen in the presence of water, it will form iron oxide. How margarine is made? Margarine is a result of chemical changes. It is a mixture of hydrogenated vegetable oil and skim milk. It is formed during the process of hydrogenation of vegetable oil. People use margarine in place of butter.